Today let's review another easy question. This is a non-premium that I solved about 4 months ago. So let's do it again. So this one's called Truncate Sentence, and the constraints are pretty low and it has a very high acceptance rate, so I'm not estimating this one to take a long time. So let's read the description. A sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. So no leading spaces, okay, no trailing spaces. Each of the words only consists of only uppercase and lowercase characters. So no numbers, no commas, semicolons, single quotes, what have you. And you are given a sentence, so this is a string and another integer called k, and you want to truncate s so that only the first k words appear in the result, which is going to be a string as well, and then return it. So this is pretty simple because if you know how the split function works in Python, you can just turn this into a list splitting by the spaces that appear in the string by calling the split function on this input string. So let's call this list s is equal to s.split and white space as the separator. Let's print lists. Okay, now we can just return the same thing except the first 0, 1, 2, 3. So the first 4, but index is 1 less than. So let's call this result is equals to lists of k. Let's print result. So lists of 4 should give you up to 0, 1, 2, 3. And now we want a string, not a list. So now we just take this and return a joined, which is string, mashing this all together, and then you have to include the white space to, or else you'll get hello, how are you? And then this white space basically just says this again, one time, right? One space between each of the words again. So now we can return it, and that should work. Okay, it does. And there you go. Beats 100%. Very efficient memory, pretty simple. Split the list, turn it into a, split the string, turn it into a list, and then turn it back into a string with the spaces added back in. So this is pretty simple. I hope this is helpful, and please stay tuned for more.